I'm Chuubibi, a digital and traditional illustrator here on Instagram and YouTube, and I love drawing cute and adorable little creatures. So I'll be teaching you how to draw cute little ghosts just in time for Halloween. So first of all, I'm going to be using the Art&Fly black sketchpad as well as the white gel pens. So this is a medium which I have not tried personally too much before, but after trying it out, it's actually extremely fun, especially for themes such as Halloween and stuff like that. Okay, so first of all you need to do is use a pencil or a mechanical pencil or any type of grey lead and sketch out your designs. So right now you can kind of see the little sketch on the black paper. Reason why I'm using not a color pencil and I'm using mechanical lead pencils is because it will be easy to rub it out, and it will also be very easy to cover it up later on. Okay, so by using your white gel pen, all you have to do now after you finish your sketch is to trace your sketch. So as you can see throughout the beginning of the video and right now, I am just coloring in the sketch or coloring over the sketch with the white gel pen. Okay, so I've been given a really neat hack when it comes to clogged up or bubbly white gel pens or any type of gel pens. Apparently you just need to take off the nib and then blow as hard as you can and it should be able to unclog it. I have not tried this yet, but apparently it's super duper successful and useful. So if you try it out, do let me know if it works. So yeah. Trying out white gel pens on top of black paper creates a very cool ghostly type of effect, which I think would be perfect for Halloween. Okay, so if you're not too much into cute bubbly ghosts and characters, you can also use this type of technique for all sorts of different things. So right now I'm creating an organic leaf or plant with the white gel pen, and it creates a really cool skeletal kind of structure or x-ray kind of appearance, which I think is really cool just in time for Halloween. So whether you want little cute ghosts or little creatures, or you want something that's more organic and mature, you can definitely create something with these gel pens and these black paper. Okay, so we're now at the end of the video. I do hope that these were very helpful and you get to make super cute and awesome artworks for Halloween. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!